In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to the main navigation in Squarespace. If you want to make an important action stand out in your site header, adding a button to your main navigation is a great option. This is especially useful for things like booking, contacting you, shopping, or directing visitors to a key page on your website. The good news is that Squarespace makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. To begin, open your Squarespace website editor and go to the header area of your site. The first thing you need to do is click on Edit Site Header. This opens the header settings where you can customize the layout and control which elements appear in your main navigation area. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your cursor is positioned over the site header so the editing controls become visible. Once you're inside the header settings, look for the option labeled Add Elements and click on it. This section lets you choose which items you want to display in the header, such as navigation features, branding elements, and action items. Adding elements here allows you to expand what appears in your top menu without needing any custom code, which makes this a quick and beginner-friendly update. After that, select Button. As soon as you click it, Squarespace will add a button element to your main navigation area. This is the feature that gives you a more prominent call to action in the header compared to a regular text link. It helps draw attention and can improve the chances that visitors take the action you want them to take. At this point, the button has been added and you can continue customizing it within Squarespace based on your site's design and goals. For example, you may want to adjust the label text, choose where the button links, and make sure it fits visually with the rest of your header. A helpful tip is to keep the button text short and clear so it remains easy to read, especially on smaller screens. And that's all it takes to add a button to the main navigation in Squarespace. It's a very quick change, but it can make a big difference in how noticeable your most important link is. If you're updating your website to improve usability or increase clicks, this is one of the easiest improvements you can make.